an accused come before you and raises his hand, hear him.
Cira wa ungumania uria wagomeire mũcirithania Said Juma Chitembwe mwaka wa 2011 utumite aite maithori akihungwo ni commission ya motungata maigoti ni undu wa kiria ugite ni mubango wa andu wa kuhuthira igoti kuhinyiriria muingi.
People have to be prosecuted. That is the mandate of the DPP. But as you sit as a judicial officer, you should be able to sift out what has been brought for serving other purposes and what has been genuinely brought as a court case.
Chitembwe uria uhungitwo kwa ihinda ria makiria ma mathaa matano augite wona aheo wira uyu agatigirira ruhonge ruru ni rwatua macira ihinda-ini riria riagiriire kuona gucerithirio kwa macira nikuo gutumite ruhonge ruru rukorwo na maroro maitho-ini ma muingi.
Most of these issues of corruption and incompetence and problems from wananchi are because the cases are piling in court as much as we are hearing them, but they are not getting finished.
Umwe wa maundu maria mũcirithania Chitembwe oretio gutariria ni itua riake ria mwaka wa 2016 ria mwanake wacukeirwo mahitia ma gukoma na kairitu ka miaka 13 akiuga ni iganire na itua riu thengia wa mawoni ngurani maria marumirire thutha ucio.
Everybody will complain, Judge and Commissioner, sorry to call you Judge. As I said, everybody has his own interpretation of what you say. I believe I used very polite words, and I was picking from what the complainant said. If you go back, the complainant, I will be very honest, the proceedings before the magistrate court, that complainant said, I went to this man's house to have sex and I go home. You convict a 20-year-old boy, the 17-year-old girl is crying, where are you taking my husband? These are the problem of the society. Those are the consequences. Now, do you look at the law and say, go to jail, or do you look at this girl who will turn 18 next year and be free to get married? And maybe they have a child. What do you do with this child? Who will take care of the child?
Chitembwe augite mogaruruku maria angirehe eta munene wa ruhonge rwa igoti ni magutigirira ungumania ruhonge-ini ruru ni wahuka niguo muingi ugie na mwihoko na matua ma igoti.
And my policy would be, why would you take somebody all the way from Samburu to Nairobi to be charged? Why can't we have an anti-corruption court judge in Nyahururu? Why can't we have an anti-corruption court magistrate in Kisumu? I believe they are there.
Mage maria Chitembwe atariirie ni uria angiteithiriria ruhonge rwa magoti gwetha mbeca cia mahuthiro kuma kuri honge itiganite na kuringana nake wirutaniria wa kihinda-ini ria miaka 29 iria akoretwo ari abitha wa magoti matiganite niguo umuhotithitie gukorwo ari umwe wa aria marathurimwo kuihuria ithenya riri.
When I was in Kakamega, the numbers were high. Actually, it was not a one court station. There were over 7,000 cases, and I overworked myself even to the extent of becoming diabetic. But the idea is, you work for the people.
Ihinda-ini riu igoti nene niriregete kurugamia mihango ya gwetha mũcirithania mũnene. Macira meri ni marahanditwo makiregana na amwe ya makomishoni aria maratongoria mihango ino, na munyitiriri wa wabici ya mũcirithania mũnene Philomena Mwilu niwe uhetwo gibarua gia kuheana mwerekera wa macira maya. Thutha wa jaji Juma Chitembwe kwiyaria mbere ya komishoni ya motungata maigoti, muthenya wa keri rigakorwo riri rita ria Patricia Mbote gucokia ciuria cia wagiriru wake gutuika jaji munene wa bururi wa Kenya. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de kaunti ya Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.